Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Good evening. How are you?
I'm happy.
Oh, always happy. Very good. Now, are you ready for our class tonight?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Always ready and always happy means a smart boy and a healthy brain. Because don't you know that a person who always happy will also have a healthy brain? Okay, so let's start our lesson for tonight. So here we go. All right, there. Now, can you see teacher's screen?
Yes.
All right, so let us start. Oh, so we are now wait, I'll check what lesson are we now. We are now at lesson 34, and that is, what's the title for our lesson?
Let's go to the park.
Oh, let's go to the park. Do you know what is a park?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. So a park is a place where you can relax, you can sit there, you can play there. And look at this one. Look at the picture. What are the children doing? They are at the park.
The children play the uh the the uh
They are playing, right?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. They're playing slide.
Slide.
Yeah, so they are playing slide. So if Hui will go to the park, you can also play there. You can do picnic with your family. You can do running there and everything in the park. Okay?
Yes.
Right, next. So let's go. Now we have here vocabulary words. Okay, these are the words that you can see in our slide. First, look at the boy. What is the boy doing?
Kick a ball.
Oh, so you will say, kick a ball. Very good. Next, what's this?
Fly kite.
Ah, very good. Fly a kite. Good job. Next, another one. Another one. What is the girl doing?
Play doll.
Oh, let's try. Play with a doll. Again.
Play with the door.
Very good. Next, how about this one? What is she doing?
It's running. Eat, 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 eat. Toy box. Toy is a box.
Again?
Toy is a box.
Oh, toys is abo. Let's try to check. Oh, pick up. What is the girl doing? Pick
Pick
up.
up.
Okay, look at there. She has a box that is already full with toys, and there are some toys that are fall down. That's why the girl pick it up. So, pick up. Next, look at here. Look at the picture. I have here two circles. 1, 2. All right. 2. Now here, I have here a question. My first question is, how many people can you see?
5.
5?
Yes.
Are you sure? Okay, let's count. 1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4, 5.
6,
How many people are there?
6.
6. Let's try to check if it's 6. Good job. 6. Now, my next question. How many boys can you see?
1, 2, 3.
Are you sure
4.
3? 4. Let's try to check. 1, 2, 3, 4.
3, 4.
All right. 4. Very good. Next. How about the last question? How many girls can you see?
2.
2. Let's try. Good job. There are 2 girls in the picture. All right. Here. Another one. Okay. Find the big boy. In this one only. This one. Find the big boy and what's he doing? What is he doing? The big boy. This one.
The boy is flying a kite.
Okay, let's try. The big boy is flying a kite. Again, good job.
The boy is flying a kite.
Oh, very good. The boy is flying a kite. Next, yeah. This is the big boy and this is the kite. Next. All right, here. So, our lesson for tonight is about present continuous. You know what is present?
Yes.
What is present?
No.
No. Okay, when we say present, that is the opposite of past. Present means it is happening now. Happening now. Not a while ago, not later, but now. That is present continuous. So, how are we going to construct a sentence using present continuous? Okay, here is the structure. First, S means the subject. What are you talking about? Let's say, for example, this one. The big boy is flying a kite. What are we talking? Who are we talking to in this? Who are we talking to? The big boy is flying a kite. What word there is our subject?
The big boy is flying a kite.
What is the subject there? The S. What's the S here? What's the S word? That is the?
Is.
No, this one. What is the?
Big boy.
Big boy, because we are describing the big boy. That is the subject, the big boy. Or let's say, Huy is studying. Huy is studying. So, Huy is the subject. Next, after the subject, you're going to add are, is, or But this one, since it is only one, what are we going to use if it's only one? Are, is, or Only one. Are, is, or
Are.
Are? Only one?
Oh no. It is.
Is. Very good. You're going to use is if what we are talking about is only one. You will use are if many. Like teacher and Huy. We are 2. So you're going to use are. And you will use if the subject is I. Let's say, I am studying. That's I am. Next, after that is the verb. Verb is an action word. Look at there. Oh, big boy is the S. Is this one, the helping verb. And the V, fly plus ing. So it means the big boy is flying a kite. Understand?
Yes.
All right. So you have to familiar with the use of are, is, and am. Don't forget that one. Okay, here. I have here a question and I have here letter. So letter A, kicking a ball. B, the man. C, picking up a pear. Letter D, the woman. And letter E, flying a kite. Now, question number 1 is already given. Please read number 1. Go.
What is the big boy doing?
Oh, what is the big boy doing? Letter
E.
E. The big boy is flying a kite. Yes. How about question number 2? What's the question number 2? Go.
Who is running?
Oh, who is running? A, B, C, or D?
The man.
The man,
Letter
letter B. Let's try to check if the answer is letter B. Right. Very good. So brave and so intelligent. Now, number 3. Read number 3.
Who is moving?
Oh, it's not moving. How to read this one? Is it moving? It's letter W.
No, letter waving.
Oh, who is waving? A, C, or D?
D.
D. What's letter D? Please read letter D.
The woman.
The woman. Let's try to check. Very good. Good job. Next, number 4. Please read number 4.
What is the girl doing?
Okay, what is the girl doing? This girl picking a ball, picking up a pear. Choose A or C.
C.
C. What's letter C? What's letter C? Please read letter C.
Pick up a pear.
Okay, let's try. Very good. Letter C. And number 5. Please read number 5.
What is the small boy doing?
Okay, what is the small boy doing?
Kick a ball.
Kicking a ball. Letter? What letter is that? Letter? Letter?
Letter A.
Let's try to check. Very good. Letter A. Good job. So in activity 1, you got perfect. Good job. Excellent work. Now here, read the questions and write one-word answers, okay? I have here a question and you're going to say the one-word answer. Okay, look at number 1. All right, number 1. Who is kicking a ball? The small
boy.
The small boy. Let's try to check if the answer is the small boy. Very good. It is the small boy. How about number 2? Please read number 2.
What the man doing?
Is? Oh, you forgot the word is. Again, read it.
What is the man doing?
What is the man doing?
Running.
Let's try to check. Very good. The answer is running. Next, how about number 3? Number 3, go.
How is picking up a pear?
How to read this?
Who is picking up a pear?
Who is picking up a pear? The So girl, let's try to check. Very good. Why it's girls? It should be girl. There's no S because it's only one girl who picked up the pear. So this one should don't have S because it's only one. Now, number 4. Go.
What is the woman doing?
What is the woman doing?
Waving.
Waving like this. Good job. Very good for Huy. Next, number 5. Go. What is?
What is the boy? Big boy flying a kite.
What is the big boy flying? So your answer is a kite. Very good. I know it is so easy for you because you are very good. Next. I have here present continuous. Look at this one. This is an example of present continuous. If you use the word I, what's next to I should be Okay? If you will say I blank happy, what are you going to add? I blank happy. Okay, I'll write here. Okay, let's say for example, I blank happy. What are you going to add? Is or are? What are you going to add?
Is.
I is happy? Is it the correct sentence? I blank happy. Look at this one.
I am happy.
All right. So this should be Okay, that's the correct answer. It should be I am happy. Very good. Next. If you use the word she is for girl or boy?
She is girl.
How about he? He is for?
He is boy.
How about it? How about it?
They
eat. They eat. What is it? We use it if we talk about things and animals. Okay. If we are talking about things and animals, you will use it. And look at here. When you use the word she, he, and it means that is singular, only one. Since this is singular, you will use is. Get it? Singular, only one. But if we use the word we, they, and you are saying plural. So you will use are because it says many. Understand?
Yes.
Right, very good. So again, if you will use I, what's next to I?
I am.
If you use the word we, what's next to we? Is or are? We. How about, what? How about we? If you are going to use the word we, what are we going to add? Is or are?
Are.
How about if we use the word he? He. Is or are? Is. Very good. You understand well. Next. Okay. That one plus verb and ing and object. Okay. Not plus ing plus object. If there is not. Okay. If there is not. Okay. This one. VING plus object. All right, here. Listen and color the picture. Okay, you're going to color the pictures which don't have color, but you have to listen carefully. Understand?
Yes,
All
just yes.
right. Okay, now listen carefully.
Boleh.
All right. So color the boy's
I don't
t-shirt.
listen.
You didn't hear it? Okay, wait. I will share it. Sorry, I didn't know. Okay, here we go. Okay, I will let you hear it again.
34C. Let's go to the park. Listen and colour. 1.
Color the boy's t-shirt for me, please. The boy's t-shirt? Okay. What color? Yellow. Yellow.
All right. So color the boy's t-shirt. Oh, wait, it's like that. Boy's t-shirt. All right. Very good. Next. Continue listening.
I like that color.
2.
And can I color the woman's dress? Yes, you can. Color it purple. Great. I'm coloring the woman's dress purple now. Very good.
Okay, color the woman's dress purple.
Purple.
What do you have there?
Red.
Okay, you can color it red since you don't have purple. Okay, red. Good job. Next.
3.
Can you see the man? Yes. Can I color his jeans? What color? Green's a good color. Yes, it is. Green jeans.
All right, so now find the jeans of the man and color it green. All right, there you go. Next, continue listening.
4.
Now, look at the tree. It's got a lot of fruit. Color the pears, please. What color? Pink? Can I color the pears pink? Yes. Thanks.
Okay, color the
I don't
pears.
have base.
Oh, what color do you have there? Do you have
Yellow?
Oh, you've done using the yellow. How about orange? You have orange?
No, I don't have orange.
Oh, what else? What color?
Yellow.
Oh, okay. You can use yellow since you don't have pink. The peach. Right.
Oh, đây.
Okay.
5.
And now the zebra. It's a nice zebra. Yes, it is. Color it orange. Orange? Okay.
Okay, do you have orange?
No.
No? Okay, use red since you don't have orange. Red.
Red.
Red. All right. Very good. You know already where are the things that are asked you by the speaker. Okay, next. So here. Okay, what's this animal? The one you colored?
Zebra.
A zebra. Zebra starts with letter
Z.
Z. Very good. Next question. It's a zebra. Yes, it's a zebra. Now here, there are two animals in the park. There are two animals in this park today. What are the two animals?
Zebra and dog.
Very good. So you'll say they are the zebra and the dog. Again?
They are zebra and dog.
Yes. Next. Okay. This is a great picture, but it's black and white. Let's add some color. All right. Oh, you're done, man. Oh, you're done already coloring it, so no need to add colors since other pictures here have colors. Oh, wait, there's this one. Do you want this to color? Please color this one.
White.
Okay, color it. What other color do you have there?
Blue.
Okay, you can color it blue?
Okay.
All right, very good. Okay, next. Can you please erase your writings? I know your colors. You've done it perfectly. Now here, I have here an activity for you to do. So read the questions and write answers here. So this is what is this? It's
Trash.
No, what do you call to this place?
No.
Park. Okay? Okay, this is an example of a park. Now here, close your eyes. Imagine that you are in the park. Come on, close your eyes. All right, imagine that you are in the park. So now, in your imagination, while closing your eyes, okay, imagine that you are walking in the park. So, how many people are in the park now?
Two.
Two. Okay, you are thinking that there are two people in the park. Great. Next, how many trees can you see in the park? In your imagination? Three. So you see 3 trees in the park. Next. Is it morning, afternoon, or evening? Close your eyes and imagine. All right. It's just in your thinking, in your thoughts. Is it morning, afternoon, or evening?
Morning.
So you are walking in the park and it is morning. Right, next. Here. Which animals can you see, or what animals can you see in the park?
No animal.
What animal?
No animal.
Oh, no animal. All right. Are you sure you didn't see an animal in the park? There's no birds, there's no ducks, there's no chicken?
No.
No. Okay. Now next. Here. Oh, since you don't have animals, you don't need to answer this one. Okay, open now your eyes. All right, very good. So this is an example of park. Now here, do you like going to the park?
Play. Kick a ball.
No, I'm asking you, do you like going to the park? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, all right. So this is again an example of park. And yes, you like to go to the park. So what do you do in the park? What do you do in the park? What do you do?
I play.
You play. What do you play in the park? What can you play there?
Play swing.
All right. What else?
Play soccer.
All right. Another one. Last one.
Em play.
Con đừng quay đấy con.
Play.
Slide.
Slide. Yes,
Con
you
ơi, con quay
like
đấy con.
sliding. Okay, very nice. And it's so enjoyable. Oh, wait. Okay, who do you go in the park with? Means who are the person you want to go also in the park with you?
Grandma.
Your grandma, you want to bring your grandma. Who else?
Dad. Mom,
Dad, mom, and family, of course, because going in the park with the family is an enjoyable thing to do. Good job. Oh, next, this one. Okay, read it, write, and say it. Okay, so here, listen. No, I will let you listen the speaker first. Okay, tell me again if you cannot hear it. All right? Okay, good.
34E. Let's go to the park. Read it, write it, say it.
The park is great. I can run, jump, and play.
Okay, what's missing there?
The park is great.
Great.
Great. I can run, jump, and play.
Is it jump? Let's try to hear it again.
The park is great. I can run, jump, and play
All right.
with my friends.
All right, very good. Now you will say here, jump. All right, I'll write it here. Now, can you tell me what is the spelling of the word jump? Spell J.
N. I don't know.
All right, look at me. Jump. Jump.
P.
Okay, are you sure with your spelling? Jump.
Jump.
Oh, there is a letter there that it should not be there. Jump. R. Look at teacher. Jump. It should be J-U. Jump. Letter?
M.
M. And
P.
P. All right. Very good. So the park is great. I can run, jump, and play. All right. Next. This one.
With my friend.
With my friends.
All right. With my friend. All right. Well, we'll write. Can you tell me the spelling of the word friend?
I don't know.
Ah, F R, I. Next. E. Friend. Friend. And last letter?
D.
D. Very good. So, please read again. Here, go.
The park is great. I can jump.
Okay.
I can run.
This one. How about say this word again?
Good. Oh, great.
Oh, great. Again.
Great.
Oh, say it correctly. Again. From the start, go. Please read. The park
is great.
Great. Not great.
Great.
Oh, great. A, great. Again?
Great.
Okay.
Great.
Okay, we will work on that. Go. Continue.
I can run, jump, and play
Okay.
with my friend. Let's go to the park.
All right. So look at this one. These children are in the. Look at this one. Where are the children now? They are in the. Look at here. Where are the children? They are in the.
Garden.
In the garden? In the garden?
In the playground.
In the playground, in the park. So you will say the children. Come on, say it completely. The children are in the park. Go.
Park.
Again,
The children
are
in a park.
in the park. In the park. Again, the children are in the park. Go.
The children are in the park.
Good. So look at here. What are they doing? What are they doing?
Playing.
Oh, how to say it correctly? They are, just answer me in a complete sentence. So you will say they are.
They are playing.
All right, that's good. Okay, every time someone will ask you, make sure you will answer them in a proper way and in a complete sentence. Okay, jump, friend. Next, here. Wait, let me erase first. Okay, there. Play the game, animal sentences. All right, so I have here pictures of animals. Now, can you tell me what animal is this? What is this? What animal is this?
Goat.
What is it?
Goat.
Goat. Again?
Good.
Not good. Goat.
Goat.
Yes. How about this one? What is this? The green one.
Frog.
A frog. How about this cute little thing in the car?
Duck.
A duck. How about this? Playing tennis.
Alligator.
Alligator. Very good. Alligator, or what's another family of alligator? It's crocodile. Good. How about this one, the singing animal?
A cat.
It's a cat. How about this one, dribbling the ball?
Horse.
Again, what's this?
Horse.
Oh, Yes. You have to pronounce letter S. How about this one?
Dog.
A dog. How about this?
Bird.
A bird. Next, this one.
Fish.
A fish. How about this one?
Spider.
A spider. How about this one?
Snack.
A snake. Again?
A snack.
Yes. How about this one?
Monkey.
Okay, now here, animal sentences. So I want you to say something or what are the animals doing. Let's go first to the goat. Okay. What is the goat doing?
The goat eating short.
Okay, you will say the goat is, don't forget the word is, eating the short. Again?
The goat is eating a short.
Okay, next, how about this frog? What is the frog doing?
The frog drive motorbike.
Okay, the frog is driving a motorbike. Again, the frog
Is drive motorbike.
driving. Again,
Driving motorbike.
okay, how about this cute duck here? What is the duck doing?
The duck is riding a car.
Riding, present continuous, the one that we discussed, present continuous with ing. The duck is riding a
Car.
car. How about this alligator?
The alligator play with the tennis.
Oh, ing. The alligator is playing. Again, the alligator. The alligator
Play with
is playing with playing tennis.
the alligator is playing tennis.
Good. Next, how about the cat? The cat.
The cat singing.
The cat is, don't forget the word is.
The cat is singing.
Oh, the cat is singing. How about the horse?
The horse play with the basketball.
Oh, the horse is, don't forget the word is. The horse is playing basketball. Again?
The horse is
Horse. Horse. Again, the horse.
The horse is playing basketball.
Okay. Horse. There's S, not horse. Horse. Again?
Horse.
Yes, horse. Don't forget letter S. How about the dog? What is the dog doing?
The dog eating a banana.
The dog is eating a banana. How about the bird?
The bird reading a book.
Is. Don't forget the word is. Again, the bird is. Come on, go.
The bird is reading a book.
Okay, good. How about this one? The fish. How about the fish? What is the fish doing?
The fish fly a kite.
Okay, the fish is flying a kite. Again?
The fish is flying a kite.
Okay, how about the spider?
The spider riding a pie.
Is riding. Is. Don't forget the is. Again?
The spider
The
The
spider.
spider is reading a pie.
Riding. It's not reading. Riding. Again.
Riding.
Oh yeah, riding. Next, how about the snake? What is the snake doing?
The snake is... I don't know.
Oh, the snake is taking a bath. Again?
The snake taking a bath.
Although you forgot the word is. Is. The snake is, again.
The snake is painting a bath.
What's painting? It's taking. Taking a bath. Again.
Taking a bath.
You will say, the snake is taking a bath. Go.
The snake is taking a bath.
Very good. How about the horse? Not the horse. The monkey. What is the monkey doing?
The monkey is playing guitar.
Playing, not play. The monkey is, go.
The monkey is playing guitar.
Oh, is. You forgot again the is. Come on.
The monkey play
Oh. Again.
monkey,
Oh.
the monkey is
Playing, not
playing.
The monkey is playing. Come on, go.
The monkey is playing guitar.
All right. The monkey is playing a guitar. Don't forget to use the word is. You keep on forgetting is. Is very important. All right. Now here, I have again a homework. Okay, your homework is you're going to record a video. Talk about a time that you go to the park. Okay, suggested questions is in the next slide. So you're going to say something. Like you go to the park, you will say, I went to the park. I see many trees. I played with like that. You just talk anything that you do in the park, or you just eat there, you played in the park, anything. All right?
Yeah.
Listen, I will send this in the group chat so that you won't forget. So you will do this on your free time. Okay? Free time. All right? Okay, so here are this one. I'll just send the link of this in the group chat so that you will not forget your homework. Okay?
Homework for mom.
For you, you will take video. Okay?
No,
So,
homework for mom.
right, for mom. You'll do this by yourself. Your mom will take video of you describing what you do in the park. Anything, just say anything that you do. Just to, like what I asked you a while ago when I asked you to close your eyes and I asked you questions like, what do you do there? How many trees you saw in the park? What are the animals? Oh, like that. Just so easy. So you're just going to tell me something about park. Understand?
Yes.
All right. So very good for today. And don't forget to use the word is. Okay? You keep on forgetting the word is. I hope that in the homework, I will check if you know already how to use the word is and are. All right? It's just so easy. So that would be all for today, and goodbye. Bye-bye, Huy.
Teacher.
Oh, goodbye. I had a great night with you. Bye-bye.
Bye.